Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove a legacy contact to your Apple account. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, locate and click on your Apple ID name. Now go ahead and click on sign in and security. Then you want to hang on for sign in and security page to open. Once opens, scroll down, click on legacy contact. Then click on your legacy contact name. Now to remove legacy contact, click on remove contact. Click on remove contact from the pop. And then hang on for your iPhone to remove the legacy contact from your Apple ID account. And then you'll be prompted to add a new legacy contact. Just click on not now. And then you say you no longer have a legacy contact. For you to add a legacy contact, you need to set it up again from the scratch. And that's it. So that's exactly how to remove legacy contact on your Apple ID account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.